Usually we don't have to look too hard for these guys. They will sometimes actively seek us out. They like playing around in the pressure wake that our boat creates, both in front of us and behind us. So keep your eyes peeled there.
Wow, hello dolphin, we are
Another
here.
pretty large group out ahead of us. Our 12 o'clock position. See them splashing in the distance there.
Hello dolphin, we are here.
As I mentioned earlier, these dolphins are capable of living just about anywhere, which is why scientists will consider these to be an indicator species, which essentially means if they didn't like it here, they're more than capable of moving, and they will do that. So the fact that we have around 25,000 of these that live in the Santa Barbara Channel year-round indicates to us that we have a pretty healthy ecosystem. These dolphins are mostly out here.
Thousands. So many. Wow. Thousands. Hello dolphin. There's a lot. Wow, look at this. Dolphin. Thousands dolphins.
Summer vacation homes and they invite me. Oh my goodness, I loved it. For the summer, you know.
bunny.
So researchers can identify
Sweet bunny
which
here.
areas are at risk
Hello.
and help life underwater flourish.
Our ladies group. Our ladies group. Let's go to the top.
Stop when you get to the top.
Okay, and then sit there. Ooh.
One more and stop. Don't go anywhere.
That's nice. Ooh, perfect. Wow, it's a perfect whale. Smart to put some sunscreen because I'm gonna stay here 2.5 hours. Okay, I guess got to like a shade.
Seabirds prefer Anacapa Island due to its topography. Those tall, sheer cliffs and the lack of fresh water means that there's no mammals on the island to threaten their young and eat their eggs. You can see how much the birds love it. Kind of look along the cliff face there and see the nice white paint job that the birds have so graciously provided for us here. Folks might have already noticed there's quite a large number of pockmarked caves along the base of these cliffs here. There's in fact 136 recorded sea caves above the surface of the water here on Anacapa Island on the forward or windward side of the island here. And that unique geography here is due to the unique formation of these islands here. These islands have never been at any time connected to the mainland back home. In fact, they formed due to a rip in the seafloor off the coast of San Diego. That rip in the seafloor caused a lot of magma to spill out very quickly, and all that quick expulsion of hot molten rock meant that it cooled lots of gas pockets trapped inside. And as the island erodes over time, we'll see the exposure of such gas pockets to create caves and also archways, such as the famous ice cream cone or keyhole arch off the right or starboard side of the boat here. Keyhole arch is one of the more picturesque formations on the island. Now obviously we can't fit a boat through there, but if the tides are cooperative and the swell, you can actually kayak down through Keyhole Arch. Off to our left here, and approaching quickly on the right side, you can see a small grove of trees. Resource for the native Chumash people of the area, who would fashion their smalls or redwood canoes out of the redwood planks they could gather off of Driftwood Cove, the beach there. They would seal those redwood canoes with tar they found on the beach, the natural oil seep in the area. That same resource used to seal the canoes harvested for a long time by the oil rigs offshore. You might have noticed a couple of those on our way out here this morning. name Chumash actually translates to the makers of shell money. Chumash were known to fashion feed out of snail shells here, sea snail shells found on the beaches of Channel Islands, were used in trade, in exchange for goods.
The deck's fine.
Channel Island National Park. Come here, check in.
Wide selection, different kinds of flora and fauna. Those kelp forests are second only to coral reefs in their biodiversity. As the Galapagos in the north. Pretty impressive biomass diversity found out here, both above and underneath the surface. Speaking of wildlife, hauled up on the rocks there, you can see a couple of them. They're all hauled up there and they look long.
Oh yeah, the lion, sea lion.
Tell how long a sea lion's been out of the water actually by how light its fur is in color. See, the ones on the right are much lighter and have been out of the water a lot longer than the grouping on the left here, straight across from us. And you might be wondering why the heck they haul themselves out of the water and hang out on the rocks. Maybe they're just lazy. But like you and I, those sea lions are mammals, warm-blooded mammals, and are actually capable of becoming hypothermic. So they have to get out of that cold Southern California water and up onto the rocks there to allow their internal temperature to heat back up.